We make the base.
Just outside the perimeter. Shake a leg. We're a big target out here. Eyes open, Sam. The guys behind this are pros. We're not even packing sidearms.
Drainage ditch will give us some cover.
Hey, Sam. Almost forgot. You're offset.
A protester outside a U.S. military installation in Ansbach, Germany, was shot and injured this morning by a sentry who thought the man was a possible threat.
What do we have in Benghazi? Show me the safe house.
Grim says you gotta keep Coben alive, so it's nothing lethal. Recommended gear starts with smoke and flashbangs, not frags.
Grim, give me a sit rep.
We've got a problem. I've been pinging my contact since you got on the ground. He isn't responding.
Briggs, you have a visual in the safe house.
I just got here.
We've got a problem. I've been pinging my contact since you got on the ground. He isn't responding.
Briggs, you have a visual in the safe house.
I just got here. It doesn't look good. I'm seeing militia all over the plaza.
I'm entering the plaza. Militia's blocking the front door access.
Sam, you need me to change position? Meet you on the ground?
Get eyes from the southwest corner of the plaza.
Copy. Moving now.
Grim, keep trying to reach our contact. Let me know if you get through.
Copy.
Can I help you?
Bathroom, you got one.
Yeah.
Shukran, Habibi. Any update from your contact?
Negative.
Militia's everywhere, Sam.
Told you this would get messy. Briggs, status.
Still moving, Sam. I'm seeing a lot of militia down there. It might get loud.
We'll keep it quiet as long as we can. Moving to the side entrance.
This last one was heavy.
It's the American diet. All these CIA guys eat cheeseburgers that weigh 1,000 pounds.
I hope he enjoyed his last one.
If he'd stayed home like he should have, he'd get to have plenty more. Instead, he came here.
You get between the boss and something he wants, odds are you will end up dead.
I'm sure this guy's going to defend that gutless coward Coben either. If we could ask him, you wouldn't be dead.
If we could ask him, he'd probably agree with you. Aren't you the funny one? How long do we wait out here?
As long as we have to. We watch the exit. Anyone fucks with us is shot. No questions. For prisoners, too much trouble, especially loudmouth Americans.
You have a beat on what's inside the safe house.
Negative. I'm still moving. Do you want me to...
No time. I'm moving in.
كويسة شوي وكذا على ما أعتقد. Contact!
Damn, you've got multiple targets ahead. One on the balcony.
Is there a viable stealth approach?
Go into the room to your right, out the window and traverse the ledge.
Nice work.
خلاص انا حر. Where are you?
Can you...
حاجة ما عنديش مشكلة.
I'm in position, Sam.
Any sign of our contact?
Can't confirm.
Roger that.
You got anything out of your prisoner? Yeah. No, nobody's come looking yet. Hey, hang on 1 second. ليش عم تعمل هيك؟
انت عملت شغلك انت وانا بعمل شغلي.
أنا اللي دبرت لك هالشغل يا بخشي. I'm working with idiots here. We didn't get anything else. You didn't want to talk. Yeah, they're searching the rest of it now. No trouble.
طلع من هونيك على الشباك.
Nice work securing the package.
Roger that.
It's not him. You confirmed Coben was in here, Briggs.
Right place, right build. I assume, sir.
I make assumptions when I'm on the ground. Clear?
Sam, talk to me.
Your contact. contact's been made. He's dead.
You got more militia en route. Advise you move out, sir.
All right, I need options. Now would be good.
Give me a minute.
Oh yeah, it's all me, baby. Pass the phone through the ops hat. I can hack this cheap bootleg crap easy.
All right, Charlie, I'm patched.
Okay, yes.
Come on, Charlie.
Done. Wow, there is a lot of freaky porn on here.
We're looking for a location.
Right. I traced the call. Pushing the location to your ops hat now. Whoa, not good. It's a police station.
Briggs, prep for fast evac.
Roger that. Enemy transport dropping hostiles, at least a dozen.
Moving now. I'll cover your exit.
Pull the blueprint on the police station. It's not good. Local militia took it over and fortified it.
Coben's our only shot at who's back in the Blacklist. We're not leaving here without him.